Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Al-Fajr Kids Arabic. Let's learn Arabic together. Ra, ra, ra. Ra sounds like r, 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 ra'sun, r, r, ra'sun, r, r, ra'sun. R, r, Roman, r, r, Roman, r, r, Roman, r, r, Risha, r, r, Risha, r, r, Risha. Repeat one more time. R, r, r. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Jazakumullah.